Here's the 2022 Apple iPad 10.9 inch. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it on. After you turn it on, you should get like a hello in one of the languages. In the bottom, just swipe up like that. Now I'm going to go with English here. Select my region. I'm in the US here. Let me tap right there. Now it says quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up, so you can go ahead and do it a little bit quicker if you have another iPhone or iPad, or unless you just want a clean slate here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set up manually, just a clean slate here, nothing to transfer anything. And then here, choose my Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi network so I can get that latest software update. Put in my Wi-Fi password here. After you type in the password, you can tap on join there or join down here. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Data and privacy, read through that. Tap on learn more if you want to learn more. Okay, I'm going to tap on continue here. Touch ID, basically it's a fingerprint password. You can go ahead and set this up later if you wish and never set it up, or set it up later, or you can do it now. I'm going to go ahead and do mine now, so I'm going to tap on continue. Now the sensor is the power button, okay? So I'm going to use this finger here, up, down, just keep on going until all the red here fills. Just keep on going. Cover top to bottom completely on the button. Just keep moving your fingers around. Slightly between scans. Okay. Now it says keep going to capture the edges of your print. So I'm going to tap on continue, and now I'm going to get the edge of my finger here. Up, down, just keep on going. Okay, looks like it's been added. Tap on continue right there. Now we can go ahead and add another fingerprint. Okay, if you want to do that, tap on continue, or you can set up another fingerprint in later if you wish. Okay, I'm just going to put set up later in settings, and I just need one print. So go ahead and create a passcode now, 6-digit. And after you type it the first time, it's going to ask you to re-enter to confirm. And I'm going to confirm here. You see it's starting to move. Apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPad. So you have several ways you can go ahead and transfer from a backup. You can restore from your iCloud backup. You can restore from a Mac or a PC or a Windows computer. You can transfer directly from another iPad. You can move data from a Android tablet or Android phone, or you can don't transfer apps and data. Now for me, I want a clean or a fresh install on this. So I'm going to put on don't transfer apps and data. Apple ID, you can go ahead and put in your Apple ID, or you can go ahead and create one, or you can skip this and do it later. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and skip this and do it later. So I'm going to tap down here, forgot password. I don't have an Apple ID. I'll tap on that right there. And I'm just going to tap set up later in settings. And for now, I just put don't use. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through this. You must agree to proceed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and agree there. Keep your iPad up to date. Let's tap on continue. Location services, that's optional. You can enable or disable, up to you. I'm fine with having it enabled. Here is Siri. You can go ahead and continue and set that up now, or you can do it later in settings. I'm just going to go ahead and do this right now. So I'm going to tap on continue, and I'm going to pick the voice that I want.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Okay, I like that one right there. So I'm going to tap on next. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So Hey Siri is ready. Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say, Hey Siri. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue here. Improve Siri in dictation. You can go ahead and read through this, and you can share audio recordings or whatnot. For me, I'm just going to put not now. I don't even need that. Screen time, read through that. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and I don't even have to set this up, so I just tap on set up later in settings. iPad analytics. This is optional. You can share with Apple or don't share. Okay, it's totally optional. I'll just go ahead and share with Apple. App analytics. This is optional as well. You can share with app developers or don't share. Okay, it's up to you. I'll just put share with developers. Appearance. Do you want the light appearance or the dark appearance? Okay, most of you guys want dark. I like dark as well. Let's tap on continue here. Welcome to your iPad. Let's tap on get started and voila. Guys, we are in business. Questions or issues, just comment below.